Hello all, just a very quick video from me today. Just a bit of an introduction really for the forthcoming drone footage I'm putting up. I made a bit of a mistake today. I do advise people who are piloting drones not to follow my example for this. I went to a place called, excuse me, a bit of hay fever going on, itchy nose. Anyway, I went to a place called Lynford, which is about 12 to 13 miles away from my hometown. And took my DJI Spark out the first time I took it out since I returned back from Europe. And when I came back, I was very shocked and come very close to losing my drone because I ignored all the warnings. That I had zero Wi-Fi on my phone. I mean, there's no 4G, no 3G, not even a signal, not even nothing to make it an emergency phone call. And the drone warned me I was in a bit of a state. And I got up, I took it up to about 110 feet, and my screen was a bit iffy and freezing up and all that. Choppy as hell, really windy. I should not have put the DJI Spark up in them sort of winds, but I did. Took a big risk. And bearing in mind these things are like £300–400, that's in the UK alone, so it's not cheap to lose. And anyway, I ignored the warnings and bring it in and turn it around to do a bit of panning, and next thing you know, up she went, like as if I clicked onto sports mode, only faster in sports mode. Up she went, and I lost all control of the control pad, and I thought, uh-oh, this is not good. I had nothing on the screen. She went up. I've got to say, she must have touched a top altitude of 400 foot and just shot off. I thought, oh shit, this is not good. Turned my control pad off, turned it back on, no recovery. What in fact happened was, because I lost signal and the screen froze, it sent a warning, but because all my app had frozen, it didn't inform me that it was low on battery, down to 18%, and it decided to rise up to its top altitude, ignoring the warnings on the actual app, and return to home and drop down slowly. Well, a few pairs of boxes later, and I recovered it luckily. It landed near enough exactly where I took off from, so all kudos to DJI for that. But a prior warning to anybody, you might not be so lucky as I was, but don't ignore your warnings, fly with caution, and just be careful, okay? The videos to follow, guys. See you later.